In this round of advanced skills training, we took this 2016 Kia Forte and we smacked this quarter panel with a sledgehammer and a 4x4 post. Look at the damage we created with this. We have a huge buckle at the top of this dent. There's a huge crease line right through the body line, and the edge of the wheelhouse opening is completely pushed in. That double layered area is affected immensely. This is not going to be an easy repair at all, but we're going to use the art of paintless dent repair, and we're going to reverse the damage of this fender like it never happened. Stick with us. What we're doing here is we're taking these nylon straps and we're hot gluing them to the quarter panel right at the damage. Our intention is to use a hydraulic press inside these straps, and it's going to push left and right on the straps. That way it puts tension in that dent so the dent wants to come up. The glue tab that we're putting in the center of the dent is known as a direct tension or an assisted pull. The point of that is to put tension in the center of the dent, so as we're stretching it left and right, we're then lightly pulling outward to help that to come up. After using the lateral tension and the direct tension to get the structure of this panel back to where it's supposed to be, it's on to conventional paintless dent repair from this point forward. So a lot of pushing from the inside of the panel, knocking down from the outside, a little bit more minor glue pulls until this job is completely done. Check out this finished repair. It's done with no body fillers, no repainting, no grinding on the original surface, none of the traditional body repair methods. This whole repair was done using paintless dent repair in a very short amount of time. If you have a dent similar to this, give us a call, 970-815-4657.